Chloe Owen. I'm the PE coordinator at Roath Park Primary School and I work closely with the maths coordinator. I spoke to Rob, who came in to speak about a physical numeracy intervention, and straight away, whilst you were talking to us about it, some children popped into my mind, just the physical aspect of it, because it engages them a lot more. They're moving around and getting involved with the maths because some of them are missing those basic math skills. The sessions that we've seen so far it's just been great for them to be so engaged in the activities, and because they're in a smaller group, which we decided to target in the end, it works a lot better because it is the basic fundamental math skills that they're missing. So they've been working closely with that, but just using things like balls and measuring and working with stopwatches, it engages them and they can put it into a real life context. Here we decided obviously to go with the lower ability learners and to pick up on those basic skills. However, there's been discussions around working with different children, for example the more able and talented, and choosing those as a small group to go outside and work with them, to challenge them a little bit further than what they might be in the classroom with children their age. But similarly, it could be with those children who are borderline level 4, and we can push them just a little bit to achieve their potential in the end. It's been really pleasing to see some of the sessions and to see how engaged they are and things, rewarding themselves and saying how good they are. Oh, I'm really good at this. And to seeing them writing down the scores and getting really involved in the activities, and they've got a great relationship with their coach. It's good that we'll have the evidence of the work that they've been doing outside through the booklet, and we can tailor the needs of the children by giving the levels and by giving the skills needed from the national curriculum, with numeracy being such a big push at the moment through the literacy and numeracy framework. It's vital that, especially with the group that we've chosen to work with at the moment, it's those basic skills that's going to help them move to the next level. We are seeing at the moment that what they do outside is being used in the classroom and implemented in there. It's been really excited to see their esteem and their attitude towards maths change a bit, because the group we've chosen have a very negative attitude towards maths, and a few weeks ago they were measuring real life situations through standing long jumps, and they were using the decimal points to add and find the difference between the highest and the lowest score, whereas in the classroom, if this was written on a whiteboard, 6.4 plus 7.3, they would have shut off straight away and said, I can't do it. However, they don't think like that when they're outside doing these sort of activities. So even just the change in attitude will help them in the classroom. They can see how these things are implemented in real life situations, which is important for children to understand. So they don't think that they're just doing it because they have to, because their teachers told them to.
I like maths outside because today we did running, jumping, and measured how far we jumped and ran in time as well. The activities make me learn so much, and it's improving on my math skills in class. What I've learnt today is how to measure properly when you're measuring time, and measuring how far you've jumped from here to there.
It's tricky because the numbers sometimes just get mixed up in my head, and it makes me feel like I want to give up. Well, doing maths outside is actually boosting up my confidence in maths, and it actually helps a lot. They're making it in like a more fun way, which makes me think maths is now easier for me to do. And we were all working as a team and I really liked it.